Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you connect your Trust wallet to Binance Smart Chain? It's very simple and easy, so bear with me. So first and foremost, you're going to need to open the Trust wallet, launch the Trust wallet app on your device. And next step is to access the wallet settings. Tap on settings icon. Usually it looks like a gear on 3 dots. Select networks, look for networks or blockchain options within the settings, and add BSC network. Okay, BSC network, add a custom network with the following details basically. So here are a couple of networks. So network name is Binance Smart Chain, chain ID is 56, and the symbol is BNB. And once you get that, go to Block Explorer URL, save changes, confirm that the network is basically saved. And that's just basically it. So once you're connected, it'll be a piece of cake from there. So that's how simple it is. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.